The government wants to get rid of social housing. You see, sometimes you have to read the small print to figure out what's actually going on. Point 45B of the government's new housing plan says that they want to move towards merging cost rental housing with social housing. They want to have just one affordable housing sector that's run on the principle of cost recovery. Now, there's a big difference between social housing rent and cost rental, which is 25% below market. So cost rental rents are still tied to the greed of landlords. If market rents go up, cost rental rents go up. You see, no government has ever come out and said straight they want to privatise the health service. No government has ever come out straight and said we want to privatise the buses. But they do these things by stealth, step by step. And the same principle, the principle of cost recovery, is a defining feature of the Thatcherite approach to public services. They underfund public services, run them into the ground, and then they turn around and say, oh well, it's not paying for itself. And they've already been applying the neoliberal mindset to public housing by running down our estates for 40 years. But now they're going to get rid of the idea of social housing altogether. And sure, isn't that why the councils are putting up social housing rents across the country? Dublin City Council wants to change social housing rents from 15% to 18% in the middle of a cost of living crisis. But it's because they have to bring social housing rents up to the level of cost rental rents so that they can have one sector informed by the principle of cost recovery. The very principle of social housing is under threat. That's why everybody needs to join the protest against the council rent hikes that's being called for Monday, December the 1st at 6 p.m. outside City Hall, Dame Street, Dublin.